Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy, Mr. Green 2002. Today I'm here now in the downtown core of Oshawa, Ontario. I'm on my way to my commercial plaza location, okay? Gonna go ahead there and do some maintenance work, some cleaning and other stuff, alright? So, I'm on the way there now. I'm driving the all-new MK7 Jetta. I know many of you have been looking forward to a MK7 Jetta video on my channel, so this is the one today. I bought now a couple more small minor items. I wouldn't really call them mods. They're kind of like cosmetic, appearance items, okay? I've got them here in the trunk, so I'm gonna go park in my commercial plaza, pull out my tools, pull out the parts, and install them on the car. I think about 5 minutes. Okay, on the way there, we'll stop by Tim Hortons, grab a coffee. I have another free coffee on my rewards card. Hopefully we'll win a free Tim's card from the roll up the rim to win contest. So I'm stopped here at the lights right now on the way to the plaza, and I'll see you guys at the Tim Hortons. Alright guys, we're now at the Tim Hortons plaza here, pulling in to the parking lot. Okay, there's a few cars in the lineup back here for the drive-through. We'll go ahead and wait behind them. Okay. Oh, I see a worker here. He's checking out the garbages. That's very nice. We're now in front of the line. Alright guys, we're next.
Afternoon, mail for you.
Yes, hi. Can I have one large triple double?
Alright, anything else?
That's it.
$2.
Thank you. Alright, let's pull up now and get it. There's the window. Yep, we're not gonna get it. Alrighty, and guys, we got it. Wonderful. And guys, we're here, pulling into the plaza. Wonderful. Okay. We'll pull into a spot over here somewhere on the side. And there you have it. We're here. Well, let's go ahead and now do our work. But first, we'll go ahead now and take a good look at the car and get out my tools, like I said before, and go ahead now and install everything. So guys, I'm now here, parked at my commercial plaza. This is what I purchased. They're actually license plate frames for the MK7 Jetta. Okay, I've got one here guys from a Volkswagen dealership in the area. It's called Owasco Volkswagen here in Oshawa, Ontario. They gave me a pretty substantial discount on this frame. That's why I absolutely had to get it and had to not miss the opportunity. Alright, and then secondly, I have this other type of Volkswagen license plate frame from a Asian mall in the area. This was also pretty affordable and therefore kind of cheap. Alright, so went ahead and bought both of these. This cheaper part is going to be installed on the front of the car, and the more expensive part is going to be installed on the rear of the car. Without further ado, on to the video. You install guys like this, okay? Put this at the bottom like that, and there you are. Let's put it back in the car. And there you have it, guys, all installed. Just look at it. Amazing. Alright. Look at the car overall. There it is. Wonderful. Now, next one. Next one down here. Okay. It's going in the rear. Alright, so we'll start off by taking the old screws off. And it comes right off. There it is. Alright. Here you see the plate frame thing, okay? And take the old license plate out. Very tight in there, looks like. Making it hard for us to do. Okay, there it is, soft. Okay, we got the new part. Opens like so. Comes it out. Okay, it's a big Jetta. We'll pull the plastic. That was very good ASMR for you guys. Yep, wonderful. Okay, some instructions here, information, cardboard, blank, and a Volkswagen car. Okay, put that down, screws in hand. Now we get the license plate and install it on it. Okay, goes down again like the other one. There you go, Jetta. Okay, let's go down and install it. Okay, got that one going. Next one. Got it. Okay, my screwdriver. You screw it very hard, very tight. And there you have it. I'll bring you guys closer. And there it is installed. A Jetta license plate frame from the Volkswagen dealership. Absolutely wonderful, guys. Go to the front of the car. And there it is. Wonderful. I freaking love it. So if anyone's on the fence about doing this mod, go ahead and get it done. Looks fantastic. In the rear, okay. I'll put away these parts and I'll go ahead and show you guys the rest of the exterior of the car. Well, guys, there you have it. I just finished installing the kind of not mod license plate covers, okay. And do I have more mods for this car? Of course, they're coming, okay. We're gonna be doing some VCDS programming via Carista, the app and the dongle, okay. We're gonna be installing a trunk LED bulb. Alright, and maybe one more if I find any more bulbs that need replacing to LED. Got a couple of spots on this car that's been boo-booed up. I've got a boo-boo right here, you can see. Paint's been gone, and here too roughly. So obviously the car can hit somehow here. But the lamp here, this reflector light, looks pretty clean. And not really damaged, okay. The rest of the car is quite fine. Alright. The second boo-boo I have in this car is the front bumper. In this corner here. See, bottom part of the corner here, it's been all scratched off, I guess by hitting a curb. And that's basically about it. Car has no sunroof. Okay, still have my sticker on the back window of the car. back here, saying I love Boost, and that's it. So, some people have asked me, do I like the car? The car is okay. I have a problem with this C-pillar window, this side and the other side, mainly the other side. When you're driving and you look with your head by turning it at the blind spot, this area makes you feel very claustrophobic in the car. That's the one thing I don't like about it. But anyways, guys, I'll make a video saying, 5 things I don't like about this car, okay? And also 5 things I do not like with this car. I'll make those videos in the future for you guys. I'm currently rocking the winter tires still with the winter wheels. These are brand new wheels we bought, winter steelies. Okay, I still have the summer / all season wheels and tires at home. Gonna put them on the car very soon. But that's about it. We installed those 2 mods and we're done for the day. So guys, it's been about an hour. I've cleaned the place up. I'm ready to go. I've got some kind of Subaru club here with some Audi cars, and then back there in the corner I have 2 trucks. So I guess for now I designated me a spot for these car clubs. And guess what, guys? We actually won a free coffee. Wow. That's the first one we won this year. There you have it, guys. This effectively concludes the video. This is your boy. Take care. Have a good day. Please don't forget to drop a huge like on this video and subscribe to my channel for more content. I'll see you guys on the next upload.